Hello students, we start with the exercise 12.1 applications of trigonometry. So it is important topic and two exercises in this. Okay, so trigonometry total based on the trigonometry only. So start with the exercise. So it is useful for the TS and AB 10th class maths students. So go through this one. Start with the first 12.1. So first question here, solution. So a tower stands vertically on the ground from the point which is vertically a tower. This is a tower. Think that it is from a point यहाँ से. So it is meter from the away from the foot of the tower. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 15 meters है. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. So here this is a 45 degrees here. So what is the height of the tower? So asking that height of the tower we have to find. So here saying that angle is how much? Angle is 45 degrees and base is how much? So base means here the distance is 15 meters. Okay, he given like that. So let the height of tower is h, think like. Okay, and distance from the observation is 15 meters and angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Here angle is 45 degrees. So from the figure tan 45 is equal to how much? Opposite side divided by how much? Adjacent side. Okay, so opposite side is how much? Height h, and adjacent is 15 meters and tan 45 here. So how much tan 45 value is 1. So 1 is equal to h by 15. Okay, so 15 goes here and it will be multiplied with the 1, and 15 is equal to 1 into 15 is equal to h. Okay, so h is equal to 15. So 15 meter is the height of the tower. Okay, so 15 meter, same like ground. So here a tree breaks due to the storm. Okay, and broken apart and bends to the top of the tree touches to the ground and making it as a 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. So एक tree है ऐसा है. So after storm it will fallen down like this, fallen down. So 30 degrees here. Okay, so distance कितना बोल रहा है यहाँ पे? 6 meter. Okay, 6 meter ground. Okay, so height h1 thing. So before it will h2. So before it will h1 like h1 plus h2 is equal to height समझो. So here the h1 plus h2 means tree height. Okay, so solution here. Solution क्या होता है यहाँ पे? So distance between the foot and the tree. Okay, distance between foot and tree. Distance between foot and the tree, fallen tree is 6 centimeters, 6 meters. Foot and fallen tree. Distance is equal to 6 meters. Height of the total tree is equal to h. But so h is equal to h1 plus h2 is the fallen one and fallen standard one. Okay, so here angle made is how much? 30. So tan 30 is equal to, so angle is 30 na, so tan 30 is equal to, so opposite by adjacent, height divided by h1 divided by, so 6 meters. So it will come with how much? It will tan 30 value kitna hai? So how much is the tan 30? So root 3 by, no, 1 by root 3. Okay, so h by 6. So 6 will goes here. 6 by root 3 is equal to h. Okay, so h is equal to 6 by root 3. So root 3 into root 3. So it will goes cancel and it will become 6 root 3 divided by, this will become 3 because root 3 whole square it will become. Root cancel, 3 will remain here. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja is equal to 2 root 3 is the here. 2 root 3 is the height. Okay, and the next one is here. So what he is saying? So we have to find h2 also. Okay, so h2 how will it come? So here adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos 30 will come like this. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, means adjacent how much here? 6 meters and h2 is here. Okay, so here Cos 30 is how much value? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to how much? 6 meters divided by h2. Okay, 6 meter divided by h2. So 6 will come here. So what we'll do? So h2 goes here. H2 is equal to 6 into under root of 2 by root 3. Okay, so it will become 12. So 12 into 12 by root 3. So root 3 by root 3. 12 root 3 divided by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. 4 root 3 is the answer here. So this is our second problem. Okay. So third question solution here. So what is saying? A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up in the height of 2 meters. So land say 2 meters go up. He wants to set up, and by making it an angle of 30 degrees. So it has like this 30 degrees. He wants to do this like this with the ground. What should be the length of this slide? So slide कितना length रहता बोल के पूछ रहा. Okay. So here what is the length of so we think that is a x meters, and this is a 2 meters, and this is a 30 degrees. Here the height of this slide is how much? Height of slide is 2 meters. Okay, so 2 meters, and the angle is how much? Angle is ground to angle is 30 degrees. So we have to find hypotenuse, no? So we do like this. So cos 30 we take, so like to sin 30 we take, because so opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means how much? 2 by hypotenuse means how much? X. So x will goes here and sin 30 come here. X is equal to 2 by sin 30. Sin 30 value how much? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So it this number is reverse division by 2 become 2 by 1. So how much will come? So 2 to the 4. 4 meter is the answer here. Okay, length of the slide is how much? 4 meters. So fourth one solution. Length of the shaft of the 15-meter height pole. 15-meter height pole, 15 meters, and the 5 root 3 meters at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of the elevation sunrise with the ground the type? So here this is how much? 5 root 3. He asking for angle. Angle how much है बोल के पूछ रहा. So height of the pole is how much? 15 meter. So height of the pole is 15 meters. Okay, and the length of the shadow is 5 root 3. Okay, and let the angle of elevation be is theta. Okay, so we take it as tan theta, because opposite by adjacent is there. So tan theta is equal to, opposite means how much? 15 divided by 5 root 3. So here we can write it as 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. So 3 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So because why I am doing this like means, so in the denominator there is a no irrational number has to be there. So that's why I'm multiplying and dividing with this. So it will become 3 root 3 divided by root 3 whole square. 2 root cancel, and 3 root 3 divided by 3 will remain. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja will get cancel. Root 3 is the answer. Okay, tan theta is equal to, okay, so tan tan theta is equal to root 3 कब होता? So tan के जो है, so tan 60 is the root 3. Okay, tan and tan will cancel. Theta is equal to 60 is the answer. Okay, so theta means here the 60 degrees of angle. So fifth one solution here. So what is the question? So you want to erect a pole from a height 10 meters with the support of the 3 ropes. So he is saying that 3 ropes. Height is how much pole? So 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters height is a pole. So each rope has to make an angle of 30 degrees. So first rope I will take like this, and second rope I will take like this. Okay, and third rope I will take like this here. Okay, so I am giving 3 ropes. Okay, so height is means how much? 10 centimeters height. So angle is how much here? 30 degrees. 30 degrees angle. So the hypotenuse here we think that x like. Okay, so height of the pole is here solution. height of the pole is 10 meters. Okay, height of the pole is 10 meters. Let the rope is x. Okay, each rope angle made by the rope is with the angle is 30 degrees. Angle is 30 degrees. From the figure cos 30 is equal to 10 by x. So here 30 from this side, we taking 30 from this side. So adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 10 means adjacent is how much here? 10 meters, and hypotenuse here x. Okay, so 10 by x, and x is equal to 10 by cos 30. So cos 30 is equal to how much? 1 by, so how much? 1 by root 3. Okay, no, root 3 by 2. So 10 by root 3 by 2. So it will goes up reverse, and 10 into how much will come? 2 by root 3. So it will become 20 divided by root 3. So root 3 divided by root 3. So 20 root 3 divided by 3. So it is the x value. So it is a here 20 root 3 by 3 is a rope. So what is the rope value? Okay, so here this 20 by 3 value is how much will it become? Means so here we need of 3 ropes, no? So we have to multiply with the 3. Okay, so 3 into 3 ropes means is equal to 3 into 20 into root 3 by 3. 3 1 ja will get cancel, and will become 20 root 3 is the rope height. Okay, this is the answer. Sixth one solution. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at an height of 6 meter. 6 meter height here. 6 meter height. So top of the building means here like this. So shooting that side. So height is his side. So to meet a target on the ground, angle of depression. Angle of depression means here. Angle of depression means like come like this. Okay. So in this like this, it will come like this. Depression means here this is a 60 degrees. This is a 60 degrees, and the remaining is 30 degrees here. Okay. What is the distance u and the object? Okay. So between he asking the u and object, distance between the u and object. So here this is a 90 degrees. Okay, 90 plus 30, 120 degrees. This is 60. This is going to be 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. So we have to find here. Okay, we have to find here the distance between the object. Okay, distance between the u and the object. Here solution. The height of the building is how much? Height is 6 meters, and the angle of depression is 60 degrees. Angle is 60 degrees, and the distance is how much here? So what is the distance here? X samjho. Okay, x meters. Distance point is x meters. So from the figure, so sine 60 is equal to, so opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means how much? 6 by x. Okay, x will goes here. X is equal to 6 by sine 60. Sine 60 is equal to how much? 6 divided by sine 60 root 3 by 2. So 2 will goes upside, and 6 root 2 divided 6 2 root divided by 6 into 2 divided by root 3. 6 2 ja 12. 12 by root 3. So root 3 into root 3. So it will become 2 root 3, 12 root 3 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja is equal to 4 root 3 is the answer. Okay, here 4 root 3 is the answer. So seventh solution is, an electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole with a height of 9 meters. Height of 9 meters. He needs to reach the 1.8 below the top of the tower. Means here up to here samjho 1.8 meters top of the below. Okay. To repair the work, what should be the length of the ladder needs here, which should be used when the climbs at the angle of 60 degrees with the ground. So with the ground he will like this covering the like this 60 degrees. This is going to be 60 degrees. And what will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the from the pole? यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना दूर है बोल के पूछ रहा. So solution is here. Height of the pole is, height is the HEGHT, height of the pole is, height of the pole is how much here? 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters. So height of the point where he has to climb means, so यहाँ तक पुल है पूरा, so it will become 7.2 now, because 9 minus 1.8 is equal to 7.2. so he has to climb. So angle is here, angle of elevation is here 60 degrees. Okay, so man reaches the pole where? Here man reaches the pole. Pole is 7.2. Okay, it is only 7.2. So sin 60 is equal to, here sin 60 will come because opposite by, okay, hypotenuse. We have to find this, no? So what is the ladder? From the pole, ladder and the foot of the pole. So first we do this one. So 7.2 divided by x. So what is the x here? X is a hypotenuse here. So it will goes here. X is equal to 7.2 divided by sin 60. Okay, 7.2 sin 60 means how much? Root 3 by 2. So we'll goes here ups and down, and 7.2 into 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 will come. So after also we have to find tan 60 here. So because we have to find this one also, no? So that is why. So tan is equal to, tan 60 is equal to how much? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite means how much? 9 meters divided by adjacent is how much? Nothing there, na? So I take it as d. Okay, so distance. So d will goes here and it will come here. D is equal to 9 by 9 meters divided by. So we take it as 7. So we take it as 7.2 divided by tan 60. Okay, so tan 60 is how much? 7.2. Tan 60 how much will come? Tan 60 root 3. Okay, so it will goes like this. So we will multiply with the root 2, root 3. So here 7.2 into root 3 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, like 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. So 2.4 into root 3 is the answer here. Okay, so this is about this 7th one. So 8th solution is here. So a boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making it an angle of 60 degrees with a bank of the river. Bank means side of the river. And due to that stream of the river travels distance of 600 meter to reach the another side of the river. So what is the width of the river? So रिवर्स width कितना है बोल के पूछ रहा है यहाँ पे. So यहाँ पे ऐसा start हुआ. So river flow करे तो क्या होता? So whenever river flows, so the boat will cross like this 600 meters, like this 600 meters. Okay, so here angle is 60 degrees. He asking us to find 60 degrees. He asking us to find the river distance between the two sides of the river. Okay, so x meters we think like this. Okay, so length width of the, so width of the river is x let. Okay, and what is the distance is here? Distance traveled here 600 meters. Okay, and here angle is how much? Boat traveled na, angle is here, so 60 degrees. The boat travel like this. Okay, from here to here has to pass, but the boat travel like this because pressure of the water for to the one side. Okay, so cos 60 is equal to, so adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent means how much? X divided by 600. 600 goes here. So cos 60 means how much? Cos 60 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 600 is equal to x. So 2 1 ja 2, 300 ja. So x is equal to how much? 300. So this is the distance between the two sides of the river. So our distance, the river flows with the width of this much. Okay, na? The what is the width of the river? Width of the river is 300 meters. So here solution, ninth one, what he is saying is here, an observer of a height of 1.8 meters, observer 1.8 meters है यहाँ पे. So okay, so 13 meters away from the palm tree. This is a 13.2 meters away. Okay, so palm tree is how much we don't know. So the palm tree like this. Okay, so height is here 1.8 meters of a man. So palm tree is height this much. Okay, so equal to this much. So palm tree height like this. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the eyes of a eyes అంటే यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे देखो a man, so a observer, his eyes look like this, the palm tree. So angle is how much, 45 degrees here. So what is the height of the palm tree? So palm tree height ఎంతనో అడుగుతున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. So okay, so palm tree height is how much? So what is the height of the observer is how much? Height observer, okay, height observer is 1.8 meters. Okay, and next one is the distance of observer and palm is, this is observer to palm is, palm tree is observer to palm tree is equal to how much, 13.2 meters. So from the figure, so how can we take it as, so we think that this is x1, we think like this. So tan 45 is equal to, here tan 45 is equal to, we have to do this much. Okay, so this is the same also 13.2 meters only. So this is, because this one equal here, so we have to find this one. So x1, so tan 45 is equal to, tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite means how much, x, divided by adjacent means how much, 13.2. okay, so it will goes here and x is equal to tan 45 into 13.2. tan 45 is how much, 1. So 1 into 13.2 meters. So x is equal to 13.2 meters is the answer. And the palm tree, this is the 13.2 meters. So plus 1.8. So total palm tree will get, palm tree is equal to, palm tree height is equal to 13.2 plus 1.8 is equal to 15. So 15 is the answer here, 15 meters of the palm tree. Solution, 10th one, in the adjacent figure AC is equal to how much, 6 centimeters here, and AB is equal to 5, is a 5 so centimeters, and angle BAC here 30 degrees. Find the area of the triangle. So asking for area of triangle, so we need to find this one also. So this is a base or BC. Okay, so here given that all the given, we have to find a sin 30 is equal to, so sin 30 is equal to how much, BC by okay, opposite by क्या होता, AC. Okay, hypotenuse means this one. Okay, so how much will come, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 BC divided by AC. So BC is how much, will not, we don't know. So 6, AC is equal to 6. So BC is equal to 6 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So BC is equal to 3 here, BC is equal to 3 centimeters here. And area of triangle is equal to half into BC into AB. So here half, how much, half into BC means 3 into AB means how much, 5. So AB means 5. So 15 by 2, P1 ja 2, 7.5 centimeters. Okay, centimeters square. So this is the answer. So completed 12.1. So other classes, go through the practice maths classes. Please subscribe to this channel, and you will get other chapters solutions also. So I uploaded already trigonometry and quadratic equation and progressions. So soon I will upload all the chapters recent. Okay, thank you guys, thank you students. Please subscribe and share with your friends. I also started CBSE classes also. So share with your CBSE friends. Thank you guys.